Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to set up session indicator on TradingView. Alright, so let's begin. By the end, you'll have a clean setup that highlights key trading hours without clutter. Start by opening TradingView and clicking on the Indicators button at the top of your chart. This will open the indicator library where you can search for tools. In the search bar, type session to find relevant indicators. From the list, select the session indicator provided by Lux Algo as it offers strong customization and a clean visual layout. Once you find it, click to add it to your chart. After applying the indicator, you'll notice default visuals such as lines or colored session zones. To refine this, open the indicator settings by clicking the settings icon next to its name. Inside the settings menu, scroll down and locate the option called Show Daily Divider. This is usually enabled by default, but it can make your chart look busy, so go ahead and disable it. Next, adjust the appearance of the session highlights. Find the transparency setting and increase it to around 79%. This will make the session areas more subtle so they don't overpower your chart. Then scroll up to the color settings. If one of the session colors is set to yellow, consider changing it to a darker color like black. This creates a cleaner and more professional look while making price action easier to see. Once you've made these changes, click OK to save your settings. Your chart should now display clearly defined session zones that are easy to read without unnecessary distractions. And that's it. This is how you can set up session indicator on TradingView. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.